Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to switch between hourly and per order pay on the DoorDasher app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got started with dashing and you've realized that being paid hourly is a much better rate than actually picking up orders. How do you actually go ahead and set that up? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the DoorDasher app. And the bottom middle left-hand side, you're going to see an hourglass. Now, if you click on that hourglass, you can see that you've now switched between active hourly rate from dashing. So here you can see that the active hourly rate is $14 per hour plus tips. So if I click on Dash, you'll now see that I'm able to actually go ahead and dash at an hourly rate. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and switch between hourly rate and per order rate on the DoorDasher app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.